This is a Carrier 58GS 075. This one has a bad igniter slash flame sensor. Flame sensor's right here. You can see it's lit. It just lit up. It connects in the furnace wiring harness to this 3-wire connector. And this one actually kicks in. The flame will kick in. The burners go. And then it shuts down probably after 30 seconds or a minute. The gas valve clicked, so usually about 10 seconds later. There we go. And it goes right out. And it'll heat up again. Do the same thing. The contacts can't handle the amperage of the solenoid. And the furnace does it 3 times and it goes into lockout mode, and then it won't work no more. To remove the sensor, take out, you can see there's a screw hole there. Took those screws out. Then you loosen this compression nut. And then you can slide it. You just turn it below the bracket. Bring it on out. There we go. Once you have it out, you can take the nut all the way off. And then the electronic igniter is hooked onto it. And if you turn it over, you see there's a little hex head screw. And that's smaller than 1/4 inch. If you can get a flathead on there, that's the best way to take it off. You don't have to take it all the way out, you can just loosen it. Once you got that screw loose, it's just hooked in there, just like that. Comes out. Here it is, plug removed. There's not much to it, but that's it. And there's where the gas line connects. There's where the flame comes out. Now once you get the replacement one in there, I tighten that compression nut almost all the way. You know, I left it just a little loose. I just left that has that little screw in it. You just leave that in there from the previous one. Electronic igniter just hooks in there, just like that. Slide it down. Then you can flip it over and tighten that screw again. Right there. Now with the replacement sensor in there, the flames are obviously going way longer than the other one. Before they would have kicked out by now. While those are going, this control box, the ignition control box, I actually had some problems with this a couple years back. The back side of it was corroded, and when I pulled it off, the solder trails were rotted through, and I actually just took some solder and I filled in the gaps between them, and now it works, and it's been working for a couple of years. I did buy a replacement one, but I won't put that on until it dies out. There's the gas valve. And like I said, as you can see, those flames are still going. There's the blower kicks in. We're good to go.